Sulatan mo to. Yung November, ganyan. We are here in the Hong Kong Disneyland. Something about this trip. Okay? Where it's our souvenir. Okay? Sulatan mo ng event, ganyan, ganyan. Oh.
What will I write? What will I write?
Eh, lagyan mo, November, our trip. About this trip.
November 14.
Or, hindi, starting November 12. So, November 12, we arrived ganyan. Taas na yun.
November 12.
Oh, we arrived in this hotel. Souvenir, eh. Anything that you want to say about the trip?
What will I write?
It's like a diary where on November 12 we check in at Disney Explorer here in November 12. I'll just put it here. We check in here in Disney Explorer's Lodge in Hong Kong, Disneyland. November 13 we went to Disneyland. We rode. Ba't ang taas? Dito, November 12 here. Oh, we checked in. Dito. Sige, oh, we checked in. You told you anything that you want to say about this trip. We checked in here in Ayabohang. We checked here. We checked in here. Anything that you want to say?
We check in here.
Where ba tayo? We checked in here at Taguig.
We check in here.
In Disney Explorer's Lodge here in Hong Kong. Ano ba yan? Mahihirapan ka nga talaga sa English Lounge. In Disney's Explorer Lodge, anything that you want to say about this trip? Or wala kang gustong sabihin about this trip? O wala kang gustong sabihin, wala na tayong ganitong trip? What do you remember about this
Do
trip?
it again.
Hindi, okay lang yan. It's okay.